Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So we have completed the top part navbar thing, and now it's time for us to work on this one. So there is nothing but what I can say is the main part. So let's try to work on this main part. So for this one, what I am trying to do is I am having a sample books data. So here this is the sample books data. Afterwards we will try to get it through the API. So I am keeping it the books data here. So we are having ISBN, title, rating, year, and the publisher date, image. Like this we are showing the data. Fine. So let's go into this div. So here this is the place where we need to show all the books. Okay. So what I will try to do is I will create a new component here. So let's try to create a new component. So this is how we will be dividing all the components. So here this is the one main.js. And here what I will try to write it, export default function main and return. So let's copy this entire this one and we'll paste it here. Where is this one? Yeah, and we will paste it here. Fine. So we got this one. Now if you go into this, so here I can use main. So here I will be using this main. How can I get this main? So how can I go default function main.js, and here I need to include this main. Why this one is not coming? So main from main. Okay, we are able to get the main is not defined. What is the problem I have written here? Export default function, and I am writing this code. Hopefully everything will be working fine. Yeah, it's working fine. So we got the main. Now it's time for us to design this main thing. So in this main, and here I will be having a box. Okay, so books list box. So here I will create div class name is equal to box, and in this one I will be having the books div class is equal to what I can say, books list, books hyphen list. We will try to have a books list, and in this books list we will be having each book. So let's try to pass this book to here. So here I will be using constant data comma set books data is equal to use state of books, whichever we have copied it. Yeah, and let's try to pass this books data. Data is equal to books data. So we are passing it to the main.js, and here I am catching this one. So books data, and here, and let's try to keep this one as ul. Okay, and ul, and in this ul I will loop over the books data. So let's write it like this: books data dot map of book. I will get each book, and in this one we will be having an li, and in this li I will be having an image. Src is equal to books data dot image. Let's try to keep it like this. And another one is, sorry, not books data, book dot image. And another one, what I need to do is, so here we need to show the div, and here I will be having h3 book dot title, and at the bottom I will show the publisher or year. Here book dot publisher, book dot year. Let's try to have it like this. So this is the data we are trying to show, and books list is there. So here also I can write class name is equal to book. Okay, so this is the main. Let's go to the app.css and we'll design it. So here first one is we are having a box, right? So this box I will write it something like dot box. I can have a box shadow. So anything. So 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 1 pixel hash So just a border, just I am having a normal box. So we'll try to do it then afterwards, and I will keep a padding of 10 pixel. Okay, and let's go to the ul dot books list, I think. Okay, and here what I can do, I can do a padding of 0 pixel and a margin of 0 pixel, a list style none, so that the dots will be removed, and we'll be having the last one is book. So each book we need to design. So in this image I will give a width of 50 pixel so that it will come here, and each book I will make it as a display flex. Why it is not coming? So book image, oh sorry, book image I am trying to make it, right? So I don't want to make this one, I want to make it as a book. I will make it as a display flex. Now I will try to maintain a gap of 10 pixel, so a gap will be coming, and this one in the book h3 I will remove the margin. Yes, okay, fine, and we can give a font size of something around 20 pixel. Okay, oh it's very big, 18 pixel, fine. And here I can give a font family of sans serif. So fine. Okay, fine, right? So we are able to get it, this one all. Okay, so we are able to get it. Now we have did a basic thing, and I want to keep a margin also for each book. Margin bottom 10 pixel. Yeah, so these are the data which I want to try to show you. So now we are able to show it, this one, it's looking fine, and here also I will give something like box margin top around 20 pixel so that it will come a little bit down. Yeah, and here also I will give 2 pixel. Okay, and also I will give 2 pixel. Okay, and here I will give 4 pixel. Okay, and I will give 2 pixel here. Yeah, this one it should be 1 pixel. No, pixel only. This should be 1 pixel, I think. Yeah, we are getting shape. I'll keep it like this. Yeah, so we'll keep it like this. So I'll keep it as 3 pixel. Yeah, fine. So this is the box we are showing. So everything is looking fine. Now it's time for us to look at this one. So here we have written the entire code, right? Let's try to divide this entire thing. So this is a box we are having. Okay. So I will divide this entire thing into a new component, that is list box. So here I will create a new component here, listbox.js, and export default function listbox, and I will return this entire code here like this. So one step is completed, and main.js, here you will be having a list box. Okay, or otherwise box or anything. So list box. So now, okay, we need to pass the books data. Okay, we will discuss about this one also. Books data, we are passing it. Right. What happened? Books data, I am sending it, right? Okay, I am not receiving here. Fine. So we are passing it. Now, to box, I am sending the books data. Yeah. So everything is working fine. And here you will be able to see this is one UL, right? So here what I can do is, so here I can write a books list. Okay, this is the main one. So this is a books list. I can divide a components here. So we'll be doing so much more activities in that one. So just I am trying to show you how I am dividing this all the things into a components. Books list.js. So export default function books list. Okay, and in this one I will copy and paste it here. So here also I will try to get the books data. Okay, and in the listbox.js, so here we need to send the books data. So fine, so we are able to get the same output. Data books list is not defined. Okay, oh sorry, yeah, fine. Now it's very working right. Now if you go into the books list, so here in this books list we got the books data. Hey, what is happening here? Let's go to the inspect element and we'll see. Every child has a multiple. Books list is not defined. Oh, why still books list is not defined? Sometimes it will happen like this only. Books data, we are passing the books data into the books list. Okay, in the books list we are receiving the books data. Everything is working fine. Okay, that should have a key. We'll try to discuss that one. We'll restart it this one again. Sometimes we need to restart it. So I have restarted the server. Still we are not able to see the output. What could be the reason? Let's try to remove this warning. Here we are looping over this each one, right? So here in this looping over, so we will provide a key for this one. So book.isbn. So we have a unique one, book.isbn. Now if I try to make this, still we are not able to get it. Oh sorry, we need to return this one, right? So that is a problem actually. We are getting it. I think hopefully now, yeah, here we are able to get it. So here we need to have a class name instead of the class. Yeah, fine. So now we are able to get the output. So this time what we have did it. So we in our main.js, so we have a list box. In this list box we are showing a books list. We will be showing some more things also in this one. So books list is one of the things which is present in the list box. In this books list we are having a books data. So now instead of looping over this one all, so we can also create another one here. So I can create a book. So here I am creating a component that is nothing but book.js. So here export default function book, and I can return this entire code here, and I will try to get the book here, and there is no need of key for this one. And let's go to the books list. Here I will show we will be showing the book, and we will send the each book here. Fine, right? And we need to add a key for this one also. Key is equal to, why? Because it is in the loop. So book.isbn. So now if you try to see, so this is how we will be dividing the code into a components. So we have designed the basic thing in the console, nothing is there. Okay, that one is previous one, I think. Yeah. Now if you go on to the components, if you try to see here, see we are having a app thing, and in this app you are having a navbar. The navbar is containing a logo, search and the num results, and this one is the main page, and in this main page we are having one list box. Okay, in this list box we are having a books list. So books list contains each book. So this is how we will be dividing the components, and one by one we will try to design this project. So now this is the how we will be dividing the project. So what we have did it. Now if you try to see app.js, it is clean. So it contains a navbar and a main thing. And in the main.js you will be able to see it is having one list box. So other things also will be there. We will try to discuss it. And here if you try to see, main is completed, and in the list box we have a one books list, and books list will loop over each books data, and it will display the book. Each book component will be displaying it. So this is how we are planning it. Now I will commit this entire code in a new thing. So list box books data design, and I will commit this entire code. Oh sorry, so we need to create a new branch, video-52. Okay, and I am publishing this branch. So that's it guys. Whoever may be having a doubts or anything, if you want to refer the code, so I have provided the GitHub repository link in the description below, so you can watch it. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.